Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are two questions in this video. Let's start. The first one is a shopkeeper had 10 boxes of the same number of chocolates at first. She sold 24 pieces of chocolates from each box. The total number of chocolates left in the 10 boxes was equal to the total number of chocolates in 4 of the boxes at first. How many pieces of chocolates did the shopkeeper have at first? Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find how many pieces of chocolates she have at first. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's say the number of chocolates in each box at first is x. Total chocolates in 10 boxes at first is 10x. She sold 24 chocolates from each box. Total chocolates she sold 24 multiplied by 10 equals to 240. Total chocolates left in the boxes 10x minus 240. According to the problem, the total chocolates left in 10 boxes is equal to the total chocolates in 4 boxes at first. So the equation is 10x minus 240 equals to 4x. 10x minus 240 equals to 4x. 10x minus 4x equals to 240. 10x minus 4x is 6x. 6x equals to 240. X equals to 240 by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 40 ja 240. Now we came to know the value of x equals to 40. So each box had 40 chocolates at first. Total chocolates in 10 boxes at first equals to 10x equals to 10 multiplied by 40 equals to 400. The shopkeeper had 400 chocolates at first. To make sure you grasp the concept, let's run through the entire solution one last time. Take a look at the full video to see the step-by-step process. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. The second question is, 4 people from group X and 6 people from group Y took part in a quiz and the 10 people scored a total of 128 points. Given that the 4 people from group X scored an average of 11 points, find the average by the 6 people from the group Y. Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this problem. Total points scored by 10 people equals to 128. Average points scored by 4 people from group X equals to 11. Total points scored by 4 people from group X equals to 4 multiplied by 11 equals to 44. Now let's find the total points scored by 6 people from group Y. Total points scored by 6 people from group Y equals to total points minus total points scored by X. 128 minus 44 equals to 84. Average points scored by 6 people from group Y. Average equals to total scored by group Y divided by number of people in Y, group Y. Average equals to 84 divided by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 14 ja 84. So the average score of the 6 people from group Y is 14. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.